Fine. This is problem number 15. Let me start working on it. Ravendra goes to school with a speed of 4 km per hour and return to the village with a speed of 6 km per hour. If he takes 3 hours in all, how far is his school from his village? So we need to find the distance. Right? We need to find the distance. They have given the time, total time, which is going to be 3 hours. Correct. Now, so they have given this. See, we need to find the distance. Right? We need to find the distance. So what we are supposed to find here? How far is school from his village? That is what he has given. They have given. Let us check out this. Let the distance be x. So x, distance by time, speed is nothing but time. That is 4 plus, and x by 6 is equal to the time. Time is 3. Correct. So now take a LCM for 6 and 4. 4 and 6 LCM will be, right? So let us start with the 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM, that divided by 4 3s are 12. 3 into x, that is 3x, plus 6 2s are, it is 2x, which is going to be 12 into 3, right? 12, that is 3 hours. 3 plus 2, that is 5x, is equal to 3 into 12, or x is equal to 36 by 5. Right. Now it's 36 by 5 means what? 5 sevens are, right, 0.2, 7.2 kilometer. Hope you understood.